Hey folks, I'm an old biker dude, man. Okay folks, you ready to learn the super easy way to poach an egg? Watch this. If you've got an electric stove, put your setting on about medium. Gas, same way. Take 1 cup of water and pour it into an 8-inch standard little frying pan. And then heat it up to a gentle boil. I like to put a pat of butter in there and just like maybe less than a half a teaspoon of olive oil. And I just move that around and let that melt as my water's coming to a gentle simmering boil. Now it's very important that you don't get your water boiling too hard. Just a nice simmering boil about like that right there. So now that my water is just starting to boil, I'm going to pop my egg in there, just like that, and put this top right over it like that. Now after about 1 minute, you're going to take and remove your top again, and slide your spatula under it, and it should flip right over about like that right there, and put your top back on. And then you do 1 minute on the other side, and there you have a perfect poached egg. It's going to be very slippery, but there's your perfect poached egg right there, nice and soft and steamed. And as you can see, there's your yellow on the inside, still nice and runny like an over medium egg, but not raw, and there's no white runny junk in there. It's all nice and solid. So there you go, the perfect steam poached egg.